Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. Putting a trailer hitch on your Jeep Wrangler can take you to some really cool places, whether it be through bike riding, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. All right, to start, we're going to prep our vehicle by inspecting the bumper and cross member here. Now, what we're going to be looking for is on some models you can find a decorative chrome plate in between the bumper and cross member right here, or you can find that it already has existing bolts into place on the back side of this cross member that holds a spacer plate in between. Now, if your vehicle has any of those, you'll need to remove it. Ours does not, so we're just going to go ahead and move on to the next step and raise our hitch up into position. All right, to raise our hitch into position, we're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. Now, our hitch is going to sit with the cross member in between these two plates, so we're going to go ahead and raise it up. Right now that we have our hitch up and lined up with our attachment holes, we're going to bring our hardware into place. Our kit comes with 4 bolts for each of those attachment holes, and each bolt comes with a conical tooth washer. We're going to make sure that the teeth on that are facing the hitch. Now, something that we found is that the hole furthest on the passenger side tends to be a little smaller, so it is a little tight, but that's okay if you need to thread it to get it all the way through. And we're just going to push our bolts through until it comes all the way through the other side. So as we said before, this passenger side one is a little tight, so we're just going to thread a little bit to help get it in. And as we thread it, you can see it coming out of this other side. To install our flange nuts, these are going to go in between our cross member and our bumper. We're just going to hold it inside the enclosed end of a 19mm wrench. So we're going to bring our flange nut up, and then we'll turn the bolt head from the other side until it is attached. And once we get it started, we don't want to get the enclosed end stuck in there, so we'll switch to the other side to hold it in while we get it tightened up. And we'll do that on all the other bolts. Now that we have everything into place, we're going to go ahead and tighten and torque all of our bolts following the manufacturer specifications. Now we're going to be using a 19mm socket for the heads of the bolts, and for the flange nuts we're going to be using the 19mm wrench to keep it from spinning. All right, now with our hitch installed, we pulled the vehicle down onto level ground to get some measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. Now our spare tire sticks out quite a bit, so from the edge of the spare tire to the pinhole is 10 inches. And our hitch receiver sticks out further than the bumper, so from the bumper to the hitch receiver is 2.5 inches. And from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 20.5 inches. All right guys, so that wraps up our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need more information about this product, or if you'd like to schedule a hitch installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center or visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.